Hello, my name is Clive Corcoran and I'd like to tell you briefly about a course on financial products and derivatives that I shall be delivering in central London at the end of April. The dates can be seen on the screen, 27, 28 and 29. So let me just then quickly cover with you the topics that I shall deal with in this course. We'll deal with bonds, equities, money markets and foreign exchange. We'll look at ETFs and structured products. Then I will move to a high-level overview of derivatives. I'll drill down into futures, swaps, options, and then to wrap up the course, we'll look at securities analysis, various hedging strategies, and risk management and portfolio construction. I very much hope that you will be able to attend this course, and the details as to where to enroll can be found on the accompanying banner.